Hello friends, so in this video I will tell you how you can fix this error which says invalid callback. Callback must be a function received undefined. So this is a generic error message, and you will get this kind of error message when you are trying to execute some JavaScript code in Node.js. So the reason why this error comes is because you are not passing the proper callback. So for example, here we have got the read file method and on the file system object. So if you look at the signatures, so there are 4 signatures. You can see it is showing 1 of 4. That means there are 4 signatures for the read file, and this is the first signature. So let me go back to the second signature, and then there is a third signature, and then there is a fourth signature. So you can see here the fourth signature, what it says that the first argument should be a file path, okay, from which you want to read, and the second argument should be a callback, okay, and the callback will take 2 arguments, error and data, and it returns void basically to the callback. So here we didn't give any callback to this read file, and that is the reason what happened was that it is saying that invalid callback, which is correct because we didn't pass any callback. So read file needs to be sent the callback as the second argument as per this fourth signature. So let us pass one callback here, and I'm gonna use the lambda expression and just log the details of the file. So here you can print the data. So basically it will print all the details whatever the file is there. So file name will actually pointing to the current file, so it will print all these details in the buffer format. But remember that callback function also had this error argument as well, so we have to pass it, because if you don't pass it, it will throw the error. So I'll show you that in a while. First let me run this. So you can see it is printing this data in the buffer format, but if you want to print this in the string format, you can do that by using this method, okay, and then run it. So you can see it will print the current file, right? And earlier I was saying that this callback should have 2 arguments, but let us imagine if you pass just 1 argument, then see what happens. So it is saying that cannot read properties of null. So this data is actually a null, right? Because it is considering this as an error object, and since there is no error, error is pointing to the null, and that's why it is saying cannot read properties of null. So you need to make sure that you are passing this error, okay. So if any error occurs, then it will hold that error details there in this object, and then data will have actual contents of the file. That's it. So in our case there may be different kind of example. So just make sure that the function or the method you're calling, just check the signature and then see what is the callback, and also see what are the arguments that we need to pass to the callback. So I'll just briefly tell once again just to revise. So you can see that there are 4 signatures for the read file. So this is the overloaded method, and this is the first signature, this is the second signature, this is the third, and this is the fourth. In the fourth signature you can see first argument is the file path, and then the second argument is the callback. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.